So, good morning, जाग जाओ, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically, देखो in this video I'm going to talk regarding how is support project in IT industry, whether there is a growth in support project in IT industry, where there is an on-site opportunities in support project in IT industry, whether the support project are good for you or not. So all this point I will be trying to cover in this video, so do watch this video till end. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technological experience and related everything that you can think related to IT. हाँ, सैलरी वैलरी के बारे में भी वीडियो बना ही देता हूँ. फ्रेशर हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, हमारी कम्युनिटी को ज्वाइन करना. And yes, we are going to create a platform where we all can share our genuine experience. So यार, फटाफट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके वीडियो को शेयर दबा के मारना, जिसको भी सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट आईटी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में जानना हो. तो सबसे पहले जानना है कि क्या है सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट. आखिर सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट है क्या, व्हाई इट इज मीन्स व्हाई आईटी इंडस्ट्री प्रोवाइड यू सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट, सपोर्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों है और क्यों सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा है आईटी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री के पास. तो इन दिस वीडियो सबसे पहले मैं बात करूंगा ऑल दोज हु आर गेटिंग पास आउट फ्रॉम private service industry from private colleges. They are getting, most of them are getting job into a service industry. Service industry means or sense like IT service industry like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, Accenture and related companies. Okay, so most of the project, what do you think na, like there are development project. Once development phase is completed, it goes into support and enhancement work. Okay, support and enhancement work. So over there what is happening, there is a different release that is going on the certain application on a particular duration, like after 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks, there is modification and enhancement going on in the project. So due to that, there is one enhancement support team, there is another team also that is named as support team, there is a development team. So what exactly the need of a support project is, इन ऑर्डर ऐसा नहीं है मान लो एप्लीकेशन आप बना दिए, बना के छोड़ नहीं सकते. देयर शुड बी अ पीपल हु शुड बी अपग्रेडिंग इट एज पर द नीड्स एंड रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द बिजनेस. ओके, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन आर बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड, बिजनेस रिलेटेड. मीन्स सपोज इट इज सपोर्टिंग सम ऑफ द बिजनेसेस, लाइक इट मे बी एनी ऑफ द banking, financial services or retail segment or any of the beverage segment or anything it can be, whatever you think. In the world, all the businesses are supported by an application right now, and all the application needs certain enhancement, certain upgradation. So there is a certain release that is going on day by day. Okay, so development phase होती है जिसमें जो लर्निंग पीरियड होती है. अगर आप एज अ फ्रेशर, अगर आप डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में जा रहे हो, तो आपकी जो लर्निंग होगी वो नेक्स्ट लेवल होगी, क्योंकि आप स्क्रैच से डेवलप करोगे. आपको एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में एंड टू एंड पता होगा कि क्या आपने इंप्लीमेंट किया, एप्लीकेशन की कैसी आर्किटेक्ट की गई है, कैसे डिजाइन किए गए हैं, हाउ एप्लीकेशन हैज बीन मॉडिफाइड और कस्टमाइज इन ऑर्डर टू help the people or help the businesses in order to optimize their profit margin or in order to optimize their whole system. So in this way they will be helping you, it will be getting help if you are in the development project, that your technical skill, your technicality, your coding skills all will be enhanced because you will be deep dive into the development work. देखो, किसी का बना बनाया चीज़ों को इन्हांस करना और कि अपने डेवलपमेंट चीज़ों को बनाना, इसमें डिफरेंस है. तो जो सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है वो लर्नफुल नहीं होते हैं, उसमें भी बहुत लर्निंग है, क्योंकि ट्रबल शूटिंग करके जब आप उसकी ऑप्टिमाइज सोल्यूशन निकालोगे तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग ओनली, टेक्निकल लर्निंग. बट द थिंग इज इट इज नॉट as per as the development one. But yes, there is also a second part. Whenever you are into a support or enhancement work, you need to optimize and customize as per the business solution. You need to give the better solution in perception of the last solution that is already in the system. So that also gives you a business oriented technical thinking. Okay, technical enhancement of your own skill. That is also giving you skills in all dimensions, because in every segment of an application you are working on a day-to-day basis on different user stories in order to create an optimized solution for the business. और ऐसा नहीं है आपने एक बार optimized solution बना दिया तो वो खत्म. As per the business need and requirement, already it take lots of time in order to get and implemented and to get optimized day by day. After that, there is also an enhancement work. Lots of enhancement work is also involved, like बहुत सारे enhancement work होंगे, बहुत सारे raw work भी होंगे, like field change करना, नाम change करना. So that is not giving you much knowledge, or that is not enhancing your much skill. But yes, on all the go, what I can see that you will be getting a lots of opportunity related to learning, technical learning. What I can say, is support project good or not? See, everything has a bad part as well as a good part. So if you are getting it, don't think that it's a very beकार thing. Never think like that. It's a good thing. Try to get out the best whatever you are having, because most of you will be working in an existing project in an enhancement or maintenance or a support. Okay, so don't worry in that part. Try to learn as much as you can from that. After that, what I would say, once you are done with all those things, whether support project have on-site opportunity or not, yes, it's also having an on-site opportunity, because many times clients want their people to be in their place in order to support the application, or in order to get the required business solution, required business analogy, so that they can make them implement in their application in a very smoother way. So yes, there is a lots of opportunities in on-site also. There is a lots of opportunity in order to learn and grow. Also, in the third part, if I am talking about support enhancement work, yes, it will give you a good pay also, but little bit less in compared to hardcore development work and all. So but it's good, no need to worry in that part. All the things are good. And I would, in this video, I would say positive only, because suppose if you are getting is, why to take it negative? Okay, why to go with a negative thing? Everything has a pros and a cons. Okay, just remember this thing. But there are lots of pros also. You will be getting your technical skills developed in a different areas of an application. You will be working in different enhancement work. You will be working in order to optimize the application solution. You will be working in order to provide the better CX. What I can say, you will be working in order to give a better business oriented solution through a technical way. So just remember, nothing is bad, everything is good. Once you get it, try to upskill yourself in that thing, as well as in the development part. Try to go deep dive into what are developed and what you are enhancing. Try to skill up your mindset on those basis. And yes, that I should also implement, that you should also implement, and everyone around you should implement all those things. That will be definitely working and helping you out in order to scale up your career and in order to grow up in your career, what I can say. So I hope you got a lot of insight that what are the different kind of projects, how are the support project in IT industry. And yes, don't worry if you are working for that, just try to upskill on the regular basis. Till then, I hope you guys got lots of insight from this video. If you guys think this video was something up to the mark, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friends. Who will meet you soon with a new informative content. तब तक के लिए take care and all the best for all your upcoming interviews, placement drive and onboarding process. अगर आपको कुछ ऐड करना है सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट के रिलेटेड, तो कमेंट में जरूर डालना. कमेंट में पूरा भर देना जो भी आपको लगे, बिकॉज दिस इज अ जेन्युइन प्लेटफॉर्म. आई वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू ऑल गाइस. And तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.